If you don't make juice in your home just because you don't have juicer, you need to watch this video and see how I made this watermelon juice without juicer. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to wash my watermelon. So after washing it, I'm just going to slice it into smaller sizes. Now what you are going to do when you get to the market, you are going to tell them to give you ripe watermelon, because when you choose it yourself, you might not know the ripe one. They know the ripe one that they will give you. So tell them to give you ripe watermelon. Then I'm just going to be cutting it into smaller pieces. Now I'm just going to transfer it inside a bowl. Now once I'm done cutting my watermelon, I'm going to bring in my blender. So we are going to be using blender for our watermelon juice. So I'm just going to blend it. So make sure, depending on the blender you are using, make sure you cut it into smaller sizes so that your blender will be able to blend it without stress, because we are not adding water to it. If you are not using a powerful blender, you need to cut it into smaller pieces, like very very small pieces, for your blender to be able to blend it without stress. So I'm just going to blend this. Now once I'm done blending, I'm going to be using this sieve to sieve my juice. So this is just to make sure that in case there are any seed, or there are seeds, for those seeds and those things that you don't want them to be in your juice, so you're just going to be sieving it so that those particles will not be in your juice when you are drinking it. So you are just going to remove it from your sieve, then do it for the other batch. Now you're just going to remove that. So now we are not done. We are going to be using a smaller sieve. So I don't want to be feeling any particles inside when I'm drinking my juice. So I'm going to be using a smaller sieve to sieve it, to make sure there is no other particles inside. I'm just going to make sure that when I'm drinking my juice is very, very smooth. So I'm just going to use this other sieve to sieve my juice. Now this is how you can make your watermelon juice in few minutes in your home without using a juicer. Hope you love and enjoy this video. Please, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.